Well, victims of the West 6th Street mass shooting will not get their day in court. So what does justice look like?
And this is, of course, because Austin police took down the shooter to prevent him from taking even more lives or injuring people. KXAN's Brianna Hollis joins us tonight with insight on this from an attorney and a grief counselor.
Well, Jen, Daniel, you both touched on it, but APD's actions that terrible day aren't in question, right? I mean, even the district attorney's office came out pretty much right away saying officers were justified and shot the suspect in the name of public safety. But that doesn't mean complicated emotions don't exist for victims and their families moving forward, related to the fact that there will be some unanswered questions about the motive and the case will not play out through the criminal justice system.
There's no real legal process to go through.
Former prosecutor and current defense attorney Alan Bennett explains this straight up.
And the victim witness coordinator with the district attorney's office may absolutely stay in touch with them to provide services or referrals to services. There's no further prosecution of the case.
It's now been just over a week since the shooting outside of Buford's on West 6th killed 3 people and injured almost 20 others. A night of terror and chaos, causing unimaginable fear and heartbreak, and a community working to deal with it all.
I made it and they didn't, and that doesn't feel good, right?
And in grief, it's never the same.
Kathy Collins, who runs grief counseling at the Christie Center, says people's feelings about a suspect being dead aren't necessarily linear.
They are wanting and missing and wish they had that day in court just so they could look at that person and literally say exactly what they needed to. Then grief subsides, things get a little better, and I have a crime victim who'll say, you know, I'm okay, he's off the streets.
While the FBI is looking at potential links to terrorism and the investigation is still open, Collins says those directly impacted will still have questions.
It's almost like a piece of the puzzle that still needs to be placed.
When it comes to logistics, Bennett says there's no reason for a criminal prosecutor to get involved unless investigators discover someone helped the shooter.
If there's no one who is a party to the offense, meaning they have somehow aided, abetted, assisted, promoted the commission of the offense, that's the end of the case.
Now, civil lawsuits against parties other than the shooter are always possible. Bennett did call that possibility a stretch in this case, though. And another thing to note here, there aren't insurance policies that help pay for medical bills up front in cases like this. It's rather a reimbursement process through the state's Victim Compensation Fund. Jen, Daniel.
All right, Brianna Hollis, thank you very much. And going in depth, defense attorney Alan Bennett, who you just heard from, says he once represented a client here in Central Texas who died as his case made its way through the court system. Bennett said once the court coordinator confirmed that, the court sent Bennett an email saying that the case was dismissed and no formal hearing took place.